in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to send a simple message from Android device to another Android device. So one is my Android phone and another device will be my Android TV box, which is H96 Max. So whatever Android TV box in which you can install Tasker, this example will work on that, and the same principle will work on another Android devices as well. So in order to send a message from one Android device to another, I have used AutoRemote Tasker plugin. So we will be needing Tasker and AutoRemote plugin for that. So what I have done is I have used AutoRemote plugin as an event. So let me just show you what I have did. So in order to make it work, you need to create a profile for AutoRemote, which will intercept messages which is going to be sent from other devices. So for that, you need to click on add and choose create. And from the create, you will see an event. So we need to select event, and from the event, we need to use AutoRemote plugin. So we need to go to the plugin and click on AutoRemote. So here we need to use AutoRemote. Now we have a configuration section. So from the configuration section, what we will do is we click on OK and click on message filter. So it will show a bunch of things that how you can like filter high and all. So here we need to type message, whatever we want to do. So we will be So we will be like creating a message filter here and click on OK. So let's just go back to the profile which I already have. So I will just go to the Tasker again and show you what are the message filters I have written. So I always forget how to write this one, so that is why I'm just showing it here only. Sorry about the focus. So here we can see I have used in the configuration filter section open equal to colon and equal to. What I will be doing is when I send a command, when I will be sending a command from my Android device to this one, what it will do is it will filter out this one. If a message contains this part, it will be intercepted by this profile and execute the task corresponding to it. So okay, back will not work, so I will just use remote back. So now when it detects open equal to colon equal to message, it will intercepted by this particular profile and it will execute this. So this is the task which I have used to open URL. So if I go to the browse URL and you can see what I'm using is AR.com as a URL. So whatever the message, it should be a URL. So whatever the message will be, it will be added here and it will going to browse the URL. So let's just get back. So it is there, so you don't need to do anything, and I will just create a task and see how we can do it. So I have already an open page, so I will just do it again. So let's just create a task. We can call it open web 1 maybe, and click on write. So in order to make it work like for the AutoRemote, we already configure all the connections we need to have. So for sending any message, what we need to do is we need to search for a plugin, and from the plugin we need to use AutoRemote. So it is asking for devices, groups and all. So we will be using devices here, and from the configuration part, what I will do is I will use manage device to manage, and it is showing H96 Max. So this is the device which I have configured. So I will just click on that, and wait, something. Sorry guys, I got confused. So we need to choose plugin with auto remote message. So here we use auto remote, and from there we need to choose auto remote message. So from the message we need to go to the configuration, and here we need to select the device. So from device we can choose whatever the device you want. So H96 Max is already registered with auto remote, so I will just click on this, and in the message part what we can do is we need to follow the same pattern. So let's just see the pattern we have. So what I will do is I will just add open equal to colon equal to. So let's just add open equal to equals and then colon and then equals. So it will what it will do, it will activate that particular profile, and then I will just use http colon Google. Oh, we need to use some forward slashes, I think. Google.com. So we don't have to use any spaces in between, and I will just click on OK. And we can just go to the back, and I think we are done with this. And let me just open this in a split screen and see how it will going to work. I will just browse this and click on play. So what it should do is it will just execute it. It will search for H96 Max auto remote device and send this message to the TV, and the TV will intercept it using this profile, and it should open the URL which is sent by us, which is google.com, and open in the browser. So if I go to and if I just click on the play button, as you can see it's going there and it is opening the google.com. So as you can see, it's how easy it is to send anything to the Tasker. So I want to show you something related to the auto remote thing. So I have registered this auto remote devices here. So you can register your auto remote devices by clicking on the plus button, and you can follow the tutorial which is given by this particular developer. So I'm not going to cover all those things, but here you can test your devices whether it is registered or not. Once it is registered, then plugin will take care of all the things which is responsible for communicating between your devices. So this is my Tasker thing, and as you can see how easy it is, and it is showing the message which I have used, and it is executing it on the Android TV box. So there are a couple of things which you can do with this. For me, why I'm doing this is I have a use case where I'm just watching too much of a TV, and I want to keep a track of something, maybe some website or something. So what I did is I can just create a timer profile, and it will execute in periodical basis. So maybe after 2 hours or 3 hours, and it will send it to your TV. So by doing that, I can actually see something on the TV, and it will also help me to take rest, or without leaving my screen, I can just see it on the Android TV box. So possibilities are limitless. So I hope you get some idea about it, and if you have any question and comments, I will try to answer them as soon as possible, and let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.